Today's welcome everybody. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on part of the world you're joining us from. It's another moment, another amazing day. So to have a moment together, and as we look into the charter, and of course, learn one or two things today before we call it a day. So yesterday we were able to do a lot, and we did a recap on what we did over the weekend, and they're able to establish some stuff. And I believe we learned a lot, of course. Today, the market will even soon open very soon. Today, I said, okay, we haven't do this other part too. I said something earlier about the currency correlation, Yeah, about currency correlation as well. This one too, this plays as well. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I took these two, I took the two pairs because they are correlated to each other. I took a buy around this place too, because we have a double top here, and it never expected it. Then it came back. Why do you think that my buy its stop loss? And then before I send it in for guys here, but I didn't send it something naturally. Only that one I sent in. So why do you think I've explained for that one? So you should be able to explain, you should be able to understand. How do you think it's my buy? And what was the what did I do wrong? I'm testing your professionalism. I'm testing your knowledge. I entered a buy here because I already knew double top, high, lower low, high, then expecting the lower low, something around the lower high at that. I entered a buy here actually. Is it here? Oh yeah, okay, something around here, lower low or something around here. Took me off. Why did you say it took me off and why was I wrong? You need to be doing something like this to know what you have learned so far. Like, no, just the jump, just the run, like especially they pursue. Let's test our knowledge. Let's tell us what we have known. Let's see. Why was I wrong?
I can see head and shoulder there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like just like right on the trend line.
Which trend line? This one.
Yeah, that's one, sir.
I never said why we took sell. We took sell in the morning. We milk the sell from here to this point.
Okay.
As at this point, I myself and I enter buy before I even send to the group. I was it a surprise. I'm saying why was I wrong? Why was it have to sell to
Where do you enter the buy?
I thought bought around this point. I thought it buy around this point, and it took me off and it came to stop here. Then now it's not coming for the buy now.
Yeah, because of the leg of the W pattern you told me about, sir.
So
right on the side level. Because of the legs of the W pattern you told me about, right on the side level.
But this one is not more or less like that. I haven't even go through itself. I haven't done my back testing on this actually. I'm just asking you. I don't think there is a leg of this in here. Let's do it. It's not a leg, no leg here. No leg here. This one is no leg here. Let's do it. You know. So it's far away off.
Yeah.
This is the first
one. There are many conferences there.
The second one should
based
be,
on my
then it should confirm the leg for us. So it's different. You were saying something? What's that? Okay.
Yeah, based on my price action, I would say the buyers are not strong enough. They are not in the market yet. They are not strong enough to even take out the previous high. So it's still a sell market until they take out the structure.
Which one? Which previous high? Which one?
Lower high.
Which one? I didn't get. Which one? Which one do you mean?
Lower high. Higher. No, not that one. Higher. No.
No. Buyers are not. I didn't get your language. This one.
Like the buyers are not strong enough to push up to the to the previous high.
To this one, okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's why you think they said keep coming and then took a solution.
Yes, sir. And the trend line also. And the trend line also.
That's not it. I won't factor it out myself, so that's not it. For the fact that market has done a double top here, I never did. I talked to you about what we call what we call this thing here. We got something what's called uh alternative. What call it? I did something like in mathematics for us. This is a double top here. There should be an alternative. Oh, I said that the alternate. I call it alternate angle. That's why I introduced mathematics for us. Mathematics, right? But then we have to do a triangle, a Z. Then I have to come to and do mathematics for us. I have to do some mathematics. I'll say this is what an alternate angle. This is alternating this one. So for a double top to have shown there must be an alternate it, and it shows what tendency for mush push. But it was never alternated. It was just a retest. So it shouldn't be. So that's not. Let me also look at it. Let's do the backtesting together and let's see why I was wrong. So you have to be very objective about your backtesting so that the objectivity will help you in the market. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are so subjective in the market, next time you will lose again. You know, try to be objective to yourself, sincere to yourself. What was I wrong? Sincere, totally sincere. And what do I do wrong? Not being subjective. You are so objective. It will help you in the market the next time. So not trying to factor something else for yourself and then to favor your own this thing. I don't know if you get me. Yeah. You have to be very objective.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yeah. Very factual about this. I was wrong. Why was I wrong? Let me check. Let me look. I don't know why too. I was expecting this is already do a double top here. A higher high, lower high, higher high. I expected the at least stop here. It doesn't stop here, come and stop here. They never did. Took me out. Then before I even send it, okay, I didn't send this one, I sent the other one in. Then I sent one other signal. I think both of them are already in small profit right now. Let me see. What's going on? What happened? What's going on? Where was I wrong? Let's look at it together. These are things that help you a lot. It helps a lot in the market. Though. These are things, this kind of stuff help a lot. It will help you to know different stuff again. These little stuffs called backtesting, as minute or as insignificant it may be, it helps in going a long way. It helps a lot. So I tell you how this thing has helped me. Some people don't believe me. Also, I say it's not about it's about detailing. It's about detailing. It's about having a journal, trading journal. I haven't seen anything during the weekly at all.
The market will be buying soon.
Mm, 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 mm. I fuck up. I fuck up. I had the same. I fuck up. I fuck up. I've noticed one thing. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Notice one thing first. No, notice one thing. This is an alternate angle. It is, I don't know. You say you don't do math in your school. In school, if I'm speaking in mathematics terms. I hope you understand like this, Sam. Do
Yeah,
you
I'm
understand?
trying.
Okay, let me come to unless I'm being vision. Okay, okay. This is a doubt. Now I was thinking the market would come to the next cycle level. I didn't even wait for confirmation. So, but sometimes if they make profit, they go they sweet you. Your body go they gosh. I don't know. That's it too. When you make profit, that's when you should be careful more because you are liable to make mistake. You are liable to go wrong. Very soon because of what? That enthusiasm, that restlessness in profit making will overtake you, and then you would not be so careful in what. But if you are making loss, then you'll be more careful. That's it. It happens. The profit you're making, it will make you pay some attention to some things. This is a double top. It has to do a double top for us at least. If you have to enter, sometimes it doesn't do it. So that's why I just entered because sometimes it doesn't do it. It doesn't do any shape double top for us here. Can you see? It keeps falling. It is now that it's not time to do this. Can you see? Can you see double top here? Double top here. Can you see? Can you see? It's now that it's not time to do it. There's a small shape around it here. It's not time to do it here. It's not, this vision is not clear. It's nothing like that. I should have waited for confirmation at this point first. One, before I entered. No, let's go again. What I also notice again is this. So next time I want to do that so that I don't go wrong. I don't lose. I have to very 100% all time. Learn a lot. It will help you. Also, this is a sell market. High, lower, low, high, lower, low. But it got to this point. The sell keep rejected. The lower low it keep rejected. It did a bounce. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth one again. So if as the market didn't did what a double top, I should be certain what it will come here. That's just my point. That should have been my psychology. As I go, oh, the market didn't do a double A. If I say at this point, because of what? Because of the strong sell market structure. That's why it never stopped here. Market sellers are so strong in the market. There are still many. So they never this small thing don't reach them. They won't still come down more. They won't push it more. So that was also why we did push it to this. But when they get to this point, this is the exhaustion level. So what? It bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. So they even try to push more than this to do lower lows and then rejected a bit. So I should have just waited for the exhaustion to really exhaust because of what? It's still what? It's still what? A downward market. It's still their market. I was in a hurry because of buyers is not in a hurry to what? To as if it has broken this point now, it will be totally biased market. Then such a test will be so easy. Palm will just be going. But it's still their market yet. Still their market. It hasn't broken the stuff. So I think that's one two things I think I was wrong. So I should have waited for the exhaustion to occur very well to happen before I go to the market. Meanwhile, as I said earlier, it's always what that's market for you. You always they make profit. You double one of your account. Look, they sweet you. The next one to make and go the sweet, but you'll be able to you'll be able to see to calm down. You get it happens a lot. So that thing you should always learn. So the momentum for you to wait for confirmations at times will not waste on you until you dawn on you that, oh, come on, man, I'm wrong. I'm already, oh, shit, I should have done this and waited until that. It happens. It happens. So that's one of the things I think, that two things I think was wrong. And I'll take note of that. So that next time the market, I don't do that shit. It's still a sell market. Has not broken this trend line yet. The sellers are still more in the market. It's still more in, and then at this point I was expecting to do what this next cycle we never did anything of that shape. or the shape of what a rejection, either rejections or what W shape to continue again. Never did such. It was just a normal small. Then I just entered. That's not too good. I just wasted my money, give my money to the market. So those are the things I think I did wrong. Yeah. After then, now the things I did because I took the two. I knew the alternative to each other. This one, there are two alternatives. So most times we are buying this, we're buying this, send this. At times, there is a good different though. I've seen it because of my experience in the market. I've seen it before. Because guys, market is just crazy. Anything can always happen. But most time they go in mostly direction. They are correlated. That's what called correlation. So we'll get there once we are done with some things, we'll get there. We'll do correlation and so many other stuff like that. So do you have any question about that, sir?
No, sir. No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your own word, explain to me, sir. Why was I wrong?
Yeah, like if I'm to bisect this, like
Okay.
it's I'll follow the trend. I know it's a down trend, and I can see that the sellers are not willing to let the market go. Because if they're willing to let the market go, before I'm to look for any buy here, I will see break of structure, then wait for confirmations. But it's still a sell market, and it hasn't shown me any pattern or anything that will makes me to take the buy market. So that's my own something. Even the W pattern, to my own understanding, I can take it, but I know that I'll be very, very careful of the trend line. Maybe that's when I will take my profit. So, to my own belief, I don't trade against the trend.
Okay.
Until I see a better confirmation and I see a better breakouts.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay, good. I pick the point. You said you don't trade against a trend. Please stick to that. That's good. That's a point. That's a valid point. That's a valid point. Because if you have said so, then you won't be looking for a possible buy. Yeah. No miss. Then you have just sold your market and then wait for it to break the structure or anything. So it's fine. Anyway, sometimes if I see a good opportunity, I milk both sides. I said it is not too clear for me, it's not too sure, and I don't go against it. But I'm too sure about it, I go against it, and then I milk when I need to milk, and I move away from there. But as a beginner, it's always good to start with 20 following. Then once you gain some structures, once you gain some fundamentals, and then don't chop some bones, and then you can always go as long as I'm able to do that. Awesome, that's good. Awesome, that's good. And the last one also, let's look at something else. Let's join the next link. I don't want this to be too long. Let's join the next link.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.